Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has ranked Oklo as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 122.21% since we first recommended purchasing Oklo 6 days ago. This result translates to an average return of 20.37% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 26.35% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 54.34% to 26.35%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline: High volatility in Oklo Incorporated stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $22.31. The Oklo Incorporated stock price gained 22.38% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, rising from $18.23 to $22.31. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 23.61%, moving from a low of $18.55 to a high of $22.93. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 111.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 7 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 55 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.23 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $22.93, while the lowest price was $5.35. Currently, the price is 2.70%, or 62 cents, below the 52-week high of $22.93, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding Oklo have drawn significant attention to the company, particularly amidst a rising interest in nuclear energy. Amazon's substantial investment indicates that major technology firms are increasingly recognizing nuclear power as a viable solution to meet the growing energy demands of data centers. Consequently, Oklo's shares have experienced remarkable gains, with a recent surge elevating its value by more than 70%. Industry experts emphasize the momentum generated by this sector, identifying nuclear stocks, especially Oklo, as prime candidates for investment in the current climate. Oklo's emphasis on smaller, cost-effective nuclear reactors for clean energy aligns well with market needs, especially as energy consumption from artificial intelligence technologies is projected to soar. Despite concerns about the timeline for revenue generation, anticipated in 2027, the commitment displayed by insider ownership instills confidence in long-term growth potential. As stakeholders look forward to significant returns, both short-term speculation and long-term investment are likely to drive up Oklo's stock price in this evolving energy landscape. Furthermore, the company is finalizing agreements with the U.S. Department of Energy for its Idaho microreactor project, indicating that regulatory support is strengthening, which could further elevate investor sentiment. The outlook remains positive as the shift of large technology companies towards nuclear energy could position Oklo at the forefront of a new energy era, setting the stage for robust financial growth in the future. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley rated Oklo as a buy with an initialize action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global gave Oklo a neutral rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 21st of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup rated Oklo as neutral with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, along with the price-to-book ratio, which is also rated strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. The stock of Oklo Inc. showcases buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at levels of $14.81 and $9.13. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and to date, it has appreciated by nearly 300%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is confirmed by the 3-month moving average convergence, or MACD. Volume is also on the rise, paralleling the price increase, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots. A buy signal was noted 35 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal, occurred 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, appeared 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 22 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a buy signal, was recorded 24 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 10 days ago. To discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.23. Without any support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk is heightened. A drop below this support could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.38 between its high and low, representing a change of 23.61%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 28.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital indicator compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even established firms can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, Consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -8 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $18.23. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 10th of July, 2024, when Christopher A. Wright conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $21.57, reflecting a decrease of 3.32%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. There is currently a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 34 days ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Oklo Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is more prudent to consider it a hold or accumulate candidate while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate designation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, we anticipate that Oklo will open lower by $1.05, starting at $21.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.